Our first question is x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. From second equation, we can find out the value of x. So x will be equal to 4 plus y. Now substitute value of x in equation number 1. It will become 4 plus y is equal to 14, or 4 plus 2y is equal to 14. Now transpose 4 on RHS. So 2y is equal to 14 minus 4. 2y is equal to 10. Value of y will be 5. Now substitute this value of 5 in equation number 2. X minus y is equal to 4. X minus 5 is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So the value of x is 9 and the value of y is 4. Second part of question number 1 is s minus t is equal to 3 and s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. So from the first part you can easily find the value of s. S is equal to 3 plus t. Now substitute this value of s into the second equation. S by 3, first let us convert it into ax plus by plus c form. 3 by 2 का LCM कितना होगा 6. So ये क्या हो जाएगा 2s plus 3t divided by 6 is equal to 6. Cross multiplication and it will be equal to 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. So this is one equation and this is another equation. Substitute the value of s in this equation. So it will become 2 into 3 plus t plus 3t plus 36. 6 plus 2t plus 3t is equal to 36. Transpose 6 on the other side. So it will become 30. 5t is equal to 30. And the value of t will be equal to 30 by 5. That is equal to 6. Now here you got the value of 6. Now substitute it into this equation. We can give this equation as equation number 3. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. So after substituting the value of t in equation number 3, what are we going to get? S is equal to 3 plus 6 and s is equal to 9. So this is the value of s. 3 of question number 1. First, from the first equation, find out the value of x. X की value निकालने के इससे x is equal to 3 plus y divided by 3. Now substitute this value into equation number 2. तो ये हो जाएगा 9 into 3 plus y divided by 3 minus 3y is equal to 9. 3 से 9 cancel हो गया, 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 3y minus 3y is equal to 9. These two values will be cancelled. 9 is equal to 9. So here you can see that the same values are coming on both the sides of the equation. So here the two equations are dependent. Two equations are dependent and represent same line. That means the lines are coincident. Therefore, this pair of linear equation has infinite solutions. Infinitely many solutions for y is equal to 3x minus 3. Now let's see question number 4. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3 and 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. For from the first equation, derive the value of x. X is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3y divided by 0.2. Now put this value in equation number 2. 0.4 into 1.3 minus 0.3y divided by 0.2 plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. 0 से यहाँ decimal cancel हो गया. 2 into 2 is 4. So 2 multiplied by 1.3 minus 0.3y plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. multiply 2 into 1.3 is 2.6 minus 2 into 0.3 is 0.6y plus 0.5 y is equal to 2.3. Now plus minus in this case it will be subtraction. 2.6 minus 0.1 y is equal to 2.3. 2.6 minus 2.3 is equal to 0.11. इसको इधर ले गए और 2.3 को हम यहाँ ले आए. ठीक है. Now it will be 0.3 is equal to 0.15. y की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी 0.3 बाई 0.1. डेसिमल से डेसिमल कैंसिल. y की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? y की वैल्यू 3. The value of y is 3. Now substitute this value into equation number 1. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. तो हो जाएगा 0.2x plus 0.3 into 3 is equal to 1.3. When you solve it, you will get the value of x as 2. Let's solve part 5. These are the two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. Find the value of y from equation number 1. Y is equal to minus root 2 by root 3x. Now substitute value of y in equation 2. It will become root 3x minus root 8 into minus root 2 by root 3x is equal to 0. Root 3x plus root 16x divided by 3 is equal to 0. Then root 3x plus root 16 is 4, so 4x by root 3 is equal to 0. Now multiply on both sides by root 3. Multiply by root 3 on both sides. So root 3x into root 3 plus 4 by root 3x into root 3 is equal to 0 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3. 3x plus root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled. 4x is equal to 0. So 7x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 by 7. So x is equal to 0. Now substitute value of x in equation 3. This is your equation number 3. So y is equal to minus root 2 into 0 divided by root 3. So value of y will also become 0. So x is also 0 and y is also 0. Let's see part 6. Part 6 देखते हैं फटाफट से. Part 6 is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. This is equation number 1. Equation number 2 is x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. This is equation number 2. तो पहले तो इसको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा हमें ax plus by plus c के फॉर्मेट में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. So first equation we are going to multiply by 6 on both the sides. 3x by 2 into 6 minus 5 by 3 into 6 is equal to minus 2 into 6. तो कितना हो जाएगा 2 into 3 is 6, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 3 are 9, यहाँ आ गया 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. तो एक इक्वेशन तो ये बन गई अपनी इक्वेशन नंबर 1. सेकेंड इक्वेशन ऑल्सो you need to take the LCM. ये हो जाएगा 2x plus 3y divided by 6 is equal to 13 by 6. 6 and 6 will get cancelled. Your equation will become 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Equation number 2. अब इसमें से हम x की वैल्यू निकाल लेते हैं. x की वैल्यू क्या निकल के आएगी 13 minus 3y by 2. Now put this value in equation number 1. Substitute value of x in equation 1. तो ये हो जाएगा 9 into 13 minus 3y by 2 minus 10y is equal to minus 12. 9 को 13 से मल्टीप्लाई किया क्या आ गया 117 minus 27y minus 10y okay is equal to minus 12. LCM ले लो 2 117 minus 27y minus 20y is equal to minus 12. 117 minus 27y minus 20 minus 20y is equal to minus 24. इसको फर्दर सॉल्व करेंगे, आएगा 117 माइनस 47y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 24. यहाँ रहेगा माइनस 47y, इसको उधर ले जाओ, 117 को यहाँ ले आओगे, क्या बन जाएगा माइनस 24 माइनस 117 माइनस 47y इज इक्वल टू माइनस 141. नेगेटिव से नेगेटिव कैंसिल हो गया, y की वैल्यू आ गई 3. Now we will be substituting this value in equation number 3. ये जो x की वैल्यू निकाली थी ना, इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 3 दे देंगे. x is equal to 30 minus 3y divided by 2. y की वैल्यू आ चुकी है, y की वैल्यू कितनी आई हमारे पास, y की वैल्यू आ गई थी 3. So x is equal to 13 minus 3 into 3 divided by 2. x is equal to 13 minus 9 divided by 2. 10, 11, 12, 13. 4 by 2. That is 2. So x is 2 and y is 3. Question number 2. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24 and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. तो इसमें भी यही करेंगे, दोनों इक्वेशंस को हम सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड से पहले सॉल्व करेंगे. So the first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. From here find the value of x. x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी यहाँ से, x is equal to 11 minus 3y divided by 2. And now put this equation, the value of x into the second equation. Two x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. 2 into 11 minus 3y by 2 minus 4y is equal to minus 24. 2 से 2 कैंसिल हो गया. 11 minus 3y minus 4y is equal to minus 24. अब इसको फर्दर सॉल्व करेंगे हम. 11 minus 7y is equal to minus 24. 11 plus 24 is equal to 7y. And 7y is equal to 35. y की वैल्यू आ गई 35 by 7. So y की वैल्यू फाइनली क्या आ गई हमारे पास 5. Now put this value of y in equation number 3. This is our equation number 3. x is equal to 11 minus 3 into 5 divided by 2 is equal to 11 minus 15 by 2 minus 4 by 2. So the value of x is minus 2. Now you have to find the value of y. y is equal to mx plus 3. इसके अंदर सब्सटीट्यूट कर देंगे y की और x की वैल्यू. सो y की वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या है 5 इज इक्वल टू m इंटू माइनस 2 प्लस 3. ये हो गया माइनस 2m इज इक्वल टू 2 और m की वैल्यू क्या आ गई माइनस 1. So here we complete question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 3.2 and we are going to continue in our next video. Keep sharing, liking, supporting and giving love to my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.